Today we will learn about the 3D formula. So I am going to teach you how to calculate the 3D formula, for which I have this workbook, and in this workbook we have multiple worksheets. So here you can see. So we will do the 3D formula on this. So for the 3D formula, the prerequisite is the all the worksheet for which we are going to the any operation like sum, average, anything else. So for that the structures must be same like this, and if we want to use the 3D formula, then we can do it for the same structure should be there, then we can only apply this 3D formula, and this is very easy and useful. So let's start. So for that, the first prerequisite is the all the seat in a sequence. So first you will take the seat name. So here you can see. So whatever operation we want to do. So first type the function name, just like sham, and then go to here and put the last seat name like 2015 in this case, and then just select the cell for which you want to do the 3D formula, just enter. So there must be some problem, so let's find out what's the problem. Just remove this. So here you can see this is the total of all three seats, cell b4 and cell b4 again from this worksheet. In all these worksheet, here we have a total, and when we fill down, then we will have all the detail. And in between, if we insert any same format and structure worksheet, then it automatically gets add into the final sheets like that. If we just move in between, like here, create a new copy of the worksheet. So here you can see there are four worksheet, and the total of 2015 added once again. So now it's become 4 million. Earlier it was 3 million approximately. So you can just take out outside from the this sequence, then you can see it decreased by 1 million. And if you take out from this, and it will be decreased by 1 million again. So this is very useful. So whenever you have a multiple sheets and you want to add up from the multiple worksheet, then it is very useful. So I hope you have understood how we use this multiple this 3D formula. The prerequisite is you just need to select the first worksheet and the last worksheet in a range, and then select the range, the cell, and just use the function. You can change it like average, then you will get average. And so this is the average, just drop down, and this is the average, and just put out, and it will be changed accordingly. So now you can see this is the average. That's it for today. Thank you.